How to reset a Zenith Motion Sensor Floodlight. The Zenith Motion Sensor Floodlight is designed to turn a floodlight on when an object passes in front of its built-in sensor. A power surge in the home's electrical system can cause the Zenith to malfunction, leaving the motion sensor inoperable so that the floodlight does not turn on. You can reset the Zenith so that it will again function. No tools are needed. Things you'll need: ladder, 20 feet. Table lamp. Stand the ladder next to the floodlight socket on the side of the house where the Zenith Motion Sensor Floodlight is located. Unscrew the floodlight from the socket. Unplug a table lamp's power cord. Unscrew the screw ring from the top of the rod on a table lamp. Remove the screw ring. Remove the lampshade. Unscrew the bulb from the lamp socket. Screw the Zenith Motion Sensor Floodlight's electric socket into the bulb socket. Slide the on-time switch to the right so that it is by the spot labeled test. Plug the table lamp's power cord back into the wall socket for power. Turn the lamp switch to the on position. Turn the lamp switch to the off position for 1 second before turning the switch back to on. Count 1 second before turning the lamp switch to off. Unscrew the Zenith Motion Sensor Floodlight from the bulb socket. Replace the bulb, shade and screw ring to the table lamp. Screw the Zenith Motion Sensor Floodlight into the floodlight socket. Screw the floodlight back in.